Okay, good evening, everybody. I've been having issues logging into our caps, so I'll be telling you how to log into your caps and check your admission status using Android phone. This is for Android users. First of all, you go to these three buttons above your phone, tap on it, look for desktop site, change it to desktop site, then it will become smaller. Then put in your login details, then press login. You can see this is my login details and this is my portal, this is my dashboard. After this step, go to check admission status, then access my caps, refresh, go to my profile, then you can see this is admission status. This is admission status. This is because I've been admitted already. So that's why it's showing admission status. Congratulations, you have accepted admission. So we have successfully checked your admission status. Thank you.